creators on the HitPaw channel we stand. With Suno AI, we'll craft songs grand. Nobody's blocked, just melodies to unwind. Join us now, let's unleash the creative mind.
Suno AI just rolled out its latest version, V3. Now, you can whip up full 2-minute songs in just seconds, straight from your text. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a song using Suno. First things first, head over to Suno.ai website. You'll find the link in the description below. Once there, hit the Make a Song button. This will take you to the Explore page where you can check out trending or top songs. No more beating around the bush, let's dive in and click Create to start composing our own song. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Custom Mode button. With it off, you can simply input the style and topic of your song in the song description, and the AI will handle the rest. Turn it on, and you can input your own lyrics. Now, let's give it a whirl using both methods separately. First up, let's create a song for my cat, Nice. Here's the text prompt: create a pop song about my cat, Nice. Keep the instrumental button off, unless you want background music without lyrics. Select V3 from the drop-down menu, then hit Create. Suno AI will generate 2 songs for you. Give them a listen.
I wake up in the morning, see your face next to mine. With those big green eyes, you're so hard to define. Your fur so soft and fluffy. Nice kitty, you're my number one. You bring so much joy, my heart's never undone. Nice kitty, you're the queen of my home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. You chase after strings.
They sound amazing. Fingers crossed my cat likes them. Now, if you already have lyrics in mind, let's try another method to create a song. Switch to Custom Mode. Enter your own lyrics here. You can even opt for random lyrics, but personally, I find method 1 more convenient for generating songs with random lyrics. Remember to note the verse and chorus to craft a better song. After that, input the music style. For instance, I want to generate a rap intro for my channel, so I'll type rap. Then text title and click Create. 2 more songs at your fingertips.
Hey, creators on the HitPaw channel we stand. With Suno AI, we'll craft songs grand. Nobody's blocked, just melodies to unwind. Join us now, let's unleash the creative mind. Welcome to HitPaw, where innovation's the key. With Suno AI, music set free. Unlock your creativity, let's make it prime. Create AI songs, it's our time to shine.
Impressive, right? Suno AI packs some serious firepower. In my opinion, it's become the go-to music generation software for songs. However, if you're in need of music sans lyrics, HitPaw Voice Changer might be a better fit. Check out the link in the description to download and try it out for yourself. And if you run into any snags, don't hesitate to watch our guide video or drop us a comment for help. And with that, we wrap up this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more handy AI tools, and thanks for watching.